Only you can reach that, baby.
Oh!
I've had these Ray-Ban Metas for about 6 months now, and the question you want answered is, are they worth it? By the end of this video, I'll help you answer that question, so watch till the end. Welcome to my channel, my name is Jeff, and I'll be going over how I have been using the Metas for the past several months, and briefly skimming over the features I don't really utilize. I have several clips of videos captured directly from the Ray-Ban Metas throughout the video, so make sure you watch the whole thing. Although these may look like a classic pair of Ray-Ban Wayfarer glasses, these are anything but. A while ago, Meta partnered up with Ray-Ban to make this piece of wearable tech that does a good job of disguising itself as some regular eyewear. Here we can see they come in 3 frame shapes: the Wayfarers, the Skylers, and the Headliners. This specific model is the large matte black Wayfarer frame with non-prescription transition lenses. To get the most out of these frames, you would need to be able to wear them indoors as well as outdoors. So my recommendation is to have them either with clear lenses or with photochromic lenses, also known as transition lenses. One thing to know about these frames is due to all the hardware that is packed into the temples and frame, the whole piece is more rigid and more resistant to any adjustments to fit your face and head properly. The frames have a touted battery life of around 4 hours, which I found to be more or less accurate. I and many others wish it had a little bit longer battery life, as 4 hours seems to be okay at best. When it comes to charging or recharging, the case it comes with acts like a charging case, kind of like AirPods. A full charge case can provide around 8 more recharges, but be mindful, if you have glasses prescription, you'd have to go blind for a bit until you get them back onto your face. Ray-Ban does sell the case separately if you end up losing it or breaking it, but mine held up pretty nicely so far. The main features on release of these glasses were its Meta AI integration, the ability to take photos and videos in a POV style, and listening to audio playback from whatever music or video you're watching. I don't use the Meta AI too often, as sometimes it can give the wrong information. Most of the time it works fine and is quite helpful, but it still has some kinks to work out.
Hey Meta. Hey Meta. Who is leading the Drivers' Championship in F1 right now?
Oscar Piastri is currently leading the F1 Drivers' Championship with 216 points.
Who is second in the Drivers' Championship?
Oscar Piastri is second in the Drivers' Championship with 74 points.
What I do use it for is to capture moments in a way that feels like I'm reliving that time again when I watch it back. All the footage you are seeing from here on out are captured on the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. I think the most interesting shots would be recording special moments and experiences in your life. You can also wiggle the glasses into a helmet like I did when I went karting, if there is enough space. It was kind of tricky as it was a tight squeeze to get them in. Something to note with them being in a helmet, the glasses were not able to start recording when I verbally asked, "Hey Meta, start recording." For that I had to open the visor, long press the temple button and activate recording, and then close the visor. I don't know if that's the case with all helmets, but it was the case when I went go-karting that one time. Using them in sports is a great way to use these as well, although the Oakley Meta glasses are coming out soon, so we'll have to wait and see if those are better for this kind of case. Having used the Ray-Ban Metas for the past 6 months and watching back videos of my life has made me appreciate and be grateful for the normal day-to-day things that we go through in our lives that we don't tend to think about. Something about all these videos is that their video quality is actually pretty good. These videos are most likely going to be on some sort of social media. The feature I use the most is the speakers. I use it mostly to watch YouTube videos or listen to music or podcasts. The speakers are housed in the temples and point directly down to where your ears should be. The speakers get plenty loud enough while allowing you to be aware of your surroundings. When played out louder settings, others around you may notice that you are playing some type of audio, but more often than not, they can't really pick out exactly what you are listening to.
Can you see it? The light? I don't know, maybe.
Here you can see what a 6'1" POV is at a concert, specifically Green Day here at Coachella. However, it is the audio recording that is a bit lacking in the low end. That's it for my brief rundown of my thoughts on the features of the Ray-Ban Metas. So do I think you or anyone else should get them? Absolutely. They do cost a little bit more than standard Ray-Ban glasses, but with the tech that is stuffed into them, I would value this at a much higher price point. I feel like this is akin to when the first iPhone came out and replaced regular cell phones. They are coming out with the Oakley Meta pair of glasses, which pre-orders in July. If you made it this far and enjoyed the video, it would mean the world to me if you could support by subscribing and hitting the like button. It truly lets me know I am creating something worthwhile on this platform and inspires me to make more videos. Hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.